Table Lab by Leah Mitchell. Emma and I made a diagram of our tower. It shows what we are going to build, so we have an idea before we build it. Construction 1 shows the base of the tower that holds it up. This part is very important because it has a very strong part that helps the straws stand and make a strong base. One part of the straw goes under the cardboard and the rest is connected to two straws that are the straws that are creating the basement of the tower. Emma and I's tower shows that the first floor is strong and finished and is ready to move on to the next story. It has a strong base and a beginning floor for the second story. The almost finished tower shows the second floor of the tower and is going to be put on some more strength to keep the tower up. We have checked the tower just in case we see something that won't last. Our tower shows an almost finished structure that is going to be put on more straws to make it a little bit more sturdier and stronger for the sandbags and shaking table. We have also put in some X-shaped straws that are under the paper on the floor to make it strong for when the sandbags go on. Also, our tower shows all of the measurements and heights. This is an idea of our tower that shows the measurements, heights, and what's on the structure. Emma and I had tested the tower by putting 4 sandbags on our tower, 2 on the first floor and 2 on the third row. This showed us that our tower was really strong and that it might be able to hold more sandbags. The X-shaped straws were a very important part in our tower. It was a very important part of our structure because it helped support the tower and made it stronger. Some of the strongest parts are the X-shaped straws that were around the building and the spiderweb shaped straws that were underneath the second and third floor. The X-shaped straws are very important and help keep strong and help support the tower. And the spiderweb shaped straws underneath the second and third floor are helpful because it helps when the sandbags go on the tower. One of the weakest parts of Emma and I's tower is the corners of our tower. I think it's the weakest parts of our tower because we didn't build it in a way that other people did, and we didn't add any support to any of the corners, but some corners are stronger than others. Supplies that we used were tape in a lot of places, but we used it mostly to keep the tower together and to make things stronger. We used the tape mostly on the corners to support it, on things that had another straw that was there to support it. And we also used it in the middle of the X-shaped straws to make it very strong. The supplies that we used were tape, paper, and straws. We used the straws to support the floor for when the sandbags go on, the paper to cover the straws to make it look nice, and the tape to put down the paper and straws. This is the first video that we took. Our tower was put on 4 sandbags on the first try.
This is a light earthquake.
Oh, looks pretty good.
No, it doesn't.
No,
The middle is gonna break. The sides are strong, but the middle is just gonna break.
Yeah! Video 2 shows the last video before our tower collapsed. The highest sandbags that our tower was able to carry was 16 sandbags.
No,
That's a good pace. Keep
no!
You didn't be.
Hi, I'm Emma Berg, and you're watching Science TV. My partner was Leah Mitchell. Our earthquake structure held 16 sandbags. Our structure failed on the top and bottom floors, mostly on the top floor. They weren't strong enough. What we did well is we made the sides super strong, and that's what mostly held up our structure. If I were to change anything, I would put a straw underneath in the center of the floors. What I learned from this project is building codes, what you need to make a good, strong structure, and how to use your resources and save straws. I liked working with my friends, and this project was super duper fun. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Leah Mitchell, and welcome to Science News. My partner for the Table4 Tower was Emma Berg. Our tower was able to hold 16 sandbags. Our tower failed at the top and bottom floors. It didn't have a lot of support, but the strongest parts of our towers were the sides. What I learned about this project was about how to make a structure strong and like the different building codes that the architect would show us. And I liked this project because I got to hang out with my friends, and I like making projects that use your hands, and I like creating things. Thank you.